Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Marina here and today I'm going to share with you my first brand ambassador unboxing by Rosie's studio. I am so excited to represent Greece in this beautiful creative journey. I can't even describe how happy I am. So let's open the package to see the goodies. At this point, let me say that using the coupon code MARINA10, you can have 10% off on your purchase. You will be able to find the link below in the description area. So, the first new collection by Rosie Studio is the North Pole Post, and let me show you the 12 by 12 paper collection. What a pretty Christmas collection, guys. They have soft colors and patterns that have a shine on them. As you can realize, this collection has absolutely traditional look and I am already thinking of making an advent calendar mini album. Next is the 6x6 paper pad, so beautiful for a folio mini album and you know how much I love them. Next one is this sticker book that contains over 150 clear and washi tape stickers. And these are the clear stickers that I really love. Set of 50 cards and envelopes. Just look how cute they are. Puffy stickers, perfect for tags, cards and small gifts. Thick chipboard frames, and it's the first time I think they have so big frames. That means that you can definitely use them as a focal point in your cards or on the cover of a mini album. And you can even make some shaker elements as a fun part on your mini album. Chipboard advent numbers. More puffy stickers, two sheets of chipboard sticker embellishments, $168 die-cut cardstock ephemera. You guys don't lose the chance to make this collection yours. Cardstock sentiments. I already imagine hundreds of cards. Die-cut floral stickers. Gemstones in 4 different colors. I absolutely love them. One sheet of epoxy embellishments. And these are dimensional elements. Next is the sleigh bells ring, And this is my favorite one, and I think I will make a mini album tutorial using this one first. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. See you next time with fresh ideas. Bye!